Musamseleku says his daughter Abongwe is going to take over his entertainment business. Izingane Sestembu and Utando Nestembu. Abongwe is going to be the producer of those programs because was the one who studied of those programs. Abongwe all the time she was at university to study to know how to shoot and to produce on television. But Mpumelelo was not well about Musamseleku's decision. We know that Mpumelelo all the time he want to be too forward for all other kids. Musamseleku was supposed to listen to Mpumelelo than all other kids. When Musamseleku tells Mpumelelo to take over all those programs, Mpumelelo was not brave like Awongo, what I see. Awongwe, she knows what she is doing in her life and she is so concentrated. I saw Musamseleku didn't make any mistake to give Awongwe. Even Lwahle was complaining that my father didn't give me any business to run. But Musamselek, when it comes to Lwahle, he saw that Lwahle, he is not brave like Awongwe. Lwahle is a good person. But when it comes to run an entertainment business, I saw Lwahle, he is not brave like Awongwe. Mpumelelo, he was complaining. Yes, we know that Mpumelelo can run that business, but Mpumelelo, when it comes to be a producer or to shoot the videos, Mpumelelo, he is not good like Awongwe. Mpumelelo, he is always complaining. Mpumelelo, you've got his companies. Last time Musamseleku asked Mpumelelo to stay in Muzumbe. He doesn't want to stay in Muzumbe until Lwahle, he have got to stay in Muzumbe. And Macele doesn't want her kids to stay in Muzumbe. So Mpumelelo maybe was complaining because it is going to be a problem because of Macele. Macele and other wives are not getting along, and Musamseleku gave Macele's daughter to be a producer of his programs. I don't see there is a something wrong. Even they don't get along with Macele, but it's Awongwe. Awongwe is a matured person. My Awongwe can make decision. Even Awongwe is a producer of that program. When it comes to money, they have to share the money. Awongwe can share the money equally. It's not that she is so greedy. I love the way Musamseleku gave Awongwe those businesses, especially entertainment business, to be a producer. Mpumelelo want to be forward. Last time he was complaining about Makumalo, that everything we are doing for Makumalo, what, until Makumalo, she was outside that business because Mayeni and Mpumelelo were complaining. Mpumelelo was talking on behalf of his mother, and he want to be on forward on that business of Izingane Sestembo because he was the one who was bringing different girls, and people, they are watching Izingane Sestembo because of Mpumelelo. But Mpumelelo, you have to understand that Musamseleku have other kids, and he have to respect that Abongwe is Macele's daughter and Macele is Musamseleku's first wife. He have to respect that. Then he want to tell Musamseleku what to do, and Mpumelelo was not staying with Musamseleku all the time. Maybe Macele, what she did wrong is to accept him and his mother Mayeni, because Mpumelelo came in Muzumbe, he was already born, but he wants to tell other people to do. Yes, we know that he is Musamseleku's first son, but he have to respect those Macele's kids, Awongwe and Lwahle. He have to respect them because Macele is Musamseleku's first wife. The decision, Macele, she agreed to be Musamseleku's first wife, and she agreed that Musamseleku can marry other wives. Mpumelelo, you have to respect that decision. When it comes that Musamseleku, you have, maybe if it was Mnini who was given to be a producer, or like Awongwe, maybe he can't say anything. The problem is Awongwe who was, and Awongwe, guys, Awongwe, and she deserves it. Musamseleku all the time, he was always giving his sons that Mpumelelo have to take care of Mzumbe, Lwahle have to take care of Mzumbe. He can gift it with them with some cars. What about Abongwe? Guys, Abongwe, she deserves that position, what I saw.